Well, hello. We're out here in front of the shop. I've got a need to build a new kind of a basket sort of a thing that I can use to, when I'm splitting firewood, I can toss the split firewood into the basket, use a tractor to carry the basket over to my wood pile stack, and then stack the wood out of the basket into the wood pile stack area, or where I'm stacking firewood. And what I have here is a bunch of these are some big pallets. I think these guys are 48 by 48s, and I think these are probably 48 wide by 54 longish. Some monster pallets, and I'm going to use them to build this basket. And basically going to have a base, two sides, and a back, and then the tractor will pick it up from the back side, and I'll be able to load firewood in from the front, and maybe I'll have a 2x6 or something, or some 1x material on the front to kind of be able to kind of keep it material from falling out, or firewood from falling out the front side as I move it. And then I'll just pick up the baskets, get it as full as I can, what the tractor can hold. I know these pallets are pretty heavy, and then carry it over to the wood pile stand or the stack, and then stack the firewood out of the basket, and then repeat. So here we go. Well, summer has started officially, I think. It's Tuesday following Memorial Day weekend, and sold 2 loose stacks again, I think, tonight. At least 2, from what I can tell. I haven't gone out there yet. So, and I got to refill this roadside stand with this new jig, this new crate that I have here. I've been using the side-by-side, which works fine, but I figured I'd give this a try. The intent of this is to carry split firewood. This white ash is drying nicely, nice and checked on the ends. burns good. I've done a few test burns with it now, and it's been burning really, really well. Oh, we'll keep selling it, keep loading it. And so far this year, month of May, so far in the month of May, I sold, what I think, 16 loose stacks and only 5 bundles. So the loose is definitely way more popular compared to bundling, which is to be expected. People come up for a weekend, they don't want to spend $20 on 4 bundles. Spend $20 on a quantity of 6 bundles, but it's just not bundled up. It's all loose. I think last weekend I had one group stop by and buy all 4 loose stacks. Saturday morning on a weekend, it was great. Hopefully they come back and buy more. All right, so I'm gonna finish filling this up. So what I need, I really don't know. I kind of knew what I needed in the side-by-side for the loose stacks. Now the new mechanism, so we'll see. I think I have an idea. I'll try that for now. Smells good. All right, out to the stand we go. All right, let's see what's in the K box. 20 and 40. Looks like they bought 2 loose stacks, so paid up fully. Good to go. All right, there we go. Proof of concept works. The new, I don't even know what to call this, crate, tote kind of a thing. The original intent is to use it for, I can have it next to the wood splitter and I can throw wood into it while I'm splitting wood, carry it over to the wood stacks and unload it onto the stacks and stack the wood with it. And it's also going to get a nice use for doing this exact thing right here. Fill in the roadside stand with loose and bundled firewood and save wear and tear on the box of the side-by-side. This is just bat pallets, cheap, nice easy way to haul wood out to the roadside stand. So that's it with this this build. Maybe I might add a piece of wood along the front side here. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see once I get splitting wood. These are big pallets. I can fit a lot of wood in here. And I don't want to have, it's already pretty heavy the way it is, so if I put something on the front and really load this up, the tractor might not even be able to pick it up when it's fully loaded. So with that, we'll end the video right there. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe, and then share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.